Good day! We are the fourth group of the BSME 34 and here we present our modular furniture design. Modular furniture is customizable and adaptable with separate pieces that can be combined for various functions and layouts. Its easy assembly and disassembly make it ideal for optimizing space in homes and offices while promoting sustainability through reusability.
During our first proposal, we proposed a chair table modular furniture. However, after further discussion, we reassess our design and focus on creating a modular shelf table. This modular furniture shall double as an organizing shelf and functionable table. For this modular furniture, having a foldable top surface, a linkage bracket, and shelf post and caster wheel, we shall use steel for posts and brackets, mahogany wood as the base of the table shelf, aluminum for the caster wheel, and rubber or bowtail for the tires. The shelves shall stand a total of 2 meters and 15 centimeters base to height, with each plank level measuring 55 centimeters long by 7 centimeters width and thickness 5 centimeters, supported by a 5 centimeter linkage bracket. The table measures 2 meters in length, 75 centimeters in height, supporting a series of 5 centimeter wood planks.
The actual model. For the table, this table can serve as a small table for daily use and expand into a larger table for gatherings, parties, or meetings, improving the posts and putting caster wheels to easily move the object from one place to another. As shelves are primarily used for the storage, display, or organization of items such as books, decorations, kitchenware, clothing, and other household or commercial goods. From dining to display, watch as the modular table effortlessly pivots into a stylish shelf, adapting to your changing needs.
Wave Beats Music. Wave Beats Music.
Thank you very much from BSME 34 Group 4. Andres, Bangayan, De Los Santos, Ferreras, Gigante, Isipin, Lapada, Mialda, Moncada, and Sevilla.